morning students, welcome back to our new video. Hope you all are fine. In today's video we will do exercises from chapter 4 nouns number. Hope you all have done your homework. All of you please take out your grammar book and open page number 26. On 26 page exercise 1, 2 and 3 was your homework. Hope you all have done. So now check your answers. So the first exercise was give the plural form of the following nouns. So nouns are given, they are in singular form. You have to write their plural form. In our previous video we have learned certain rules of changing singular noun to plural noun. So now let's see the first one. First is self. So self is a singular, so you have to change to plural. So you have to see the last is F. In one rule there was, if the last word will be F or double F, it will change by adding VES. So self will become selves. Pony. Here the second is pony. Here you have to drop Y and you have to add IES. So it will become ponies. Story. Stories by adding S. Journey. Journeys. Step. Sun. So you can see here the main word will change by adding S. So the main word is sun. So here you will add S and it will become step sons. Okay. Now see the sixth one. Child. It will change to children. 7. Son-in-laws. So the main word is son. So it will change. Okay. So then you have to add here S. It will become sons-in-law. Now see the last 8th one. Mouse. Mouse will become mice. Here what is changing? Vowels. O-U. Here vowels are changing. What are the vowels? A-E-I-O-U. Okay. So you have total 5 vowels. Here the vowels will change. O-U will be changed to I-C. Okay. So it will become mice. 9th, axis. So here this word is a Latin word. In Latin word there are certain rules that singular form will change to plural form according to their language. So axis will become axis. Now the last is memorandum. Memorandum is also an Latin word. It will change to memorandums by adding S, or you can say it will change to memoranda. Okay. So these both are correct. Hope you all have done. Now students, see the second exercise which is given on page number 26. In this exercise says that give the singular form of the following noun. So here the plural nouns are given. You have to give their singular form. Okay. So the first word is leaves, leaf, fairies, fairy, deer, deer. So here deer will be same in singular also, plural also. There are few nouns who have both singular form also and plural form also. Okay, they do not change. They are same in singular also, plural also. Now fourth is pianos, piano, tomatoes, tomato, race, ray, oxen, ox, wives, wife, feet, foot. Now here in ninth you can say that here you can see that here the vowels are changed. What are changed? The vowels are changed. Now see the last, men, servants. So here men will become man, servants, servant. Okay. Hope you all have done. See the third exercise. In this exercise you have to change the underlined words into their plural form. So the words which are underlined, you have to change them in their plural form. Rewrite the sentences making other necessary changes, and we have to rewrite the sentence. If there any error is there, you have to change that and you have to rewrite the sentence. So the first is my sister lives in the US. So underlined word is sister. Okay. Here I have written all the answers. Okay. So it will change like this. My sisters, here S will come, live in US. Okay. Now see the second. So the second is that man is German. So here that is used for singular. Okay. So here what will come? Those men will change to men are German. Here is in the question it is written is. is German. Is used for singular, okay, and are is used for plural. So we are making plural sentences now. Then here are will come, okay, is will not come. Now see the third one. This book is great. So here answer will be these books are great. Is will change to are and book as will come here these will. Now see the fourth. A daughter-in-law should respect her mother-in-law. So here the underlined words are daughter-in-law and mother-in-law. So it will change like this. The daughters-in-law should respect their mothers-in-law. So the changes is there in daughters and S is added here in mothers. Okay. Now see the fifth point. Fifth is the fairy told the child an interesting story. So the underlined words are fairy, child, story. So you will rewrite it like this. The fairy will change to fairies, told the child will change to children, some interesting stories. Okay, story will change to stories. Means plural you are making. Now see the sixth one. That boy is not from my town. So that will change to those because that is used for singular and here we are talking plural. So those boys will change to boys. Are is will change to are not from my town. Okay. Now see the seventh question says that the knife on the shelf is new. Use it carefully. So the words underlined are knife and shelf. So it will change like this. The knives on the shelves are new. Use it carefully. Okay. Now see the last eighth one. So in the question it is Jack's reply to the question was incorrect. So here reply is underlined, question is underlined. So it will change like this. Jack's reply will change to replies to the questions were incorrect. Okay. Now see the ninth. The leaf fell down from the tree. So the words underlined are leaf and tree. So here you will write like this. The leaves fell down from the trees. Tree, when you will add s, it will become trees. Plural form. Now see the last one, then. The mouse entered the shop and troubled the client. Here the mouse is underlined, shop is underlined and client is underlined. So you will rewrite it like this. The mouse will change to mice, entered the shop. Shop will change to shops and trouble the clients. Client single, if it is there in the question, so you have to change to plural. So you will add s, clients. Okay, now the third exercise is complete. Now students, take out exercise number 4 which is given on page number 27. In this we have to change the underlined words into their singular form. Rewrite the sentences making other necessary changes. First the underlined words are given in their plural form. You have to change it in singular form. Then you have to rewrite the sentence. So the first word is, first sentence, dogs are men's best friends. So the words underlined are dogs, men, friends. So here it will change like this. Dogs will change to dog. Are will change to is. See, now only I have told you that are is used in plural form. Okay, when the sentence is in plural form, then are is used, and when you are talking about singular noun, then is will use. Okay, so you have to remember this. Are is used for plural, is used for singular. So it will become like this. Dog is men's best friend. Okay, now see the second. Good children never tell lies. So you will write like this. Good child never tell a lie. Now the third is the oxen plowed the fields. So it will change like this. The will change to an ox plowed the field. Now see the fourth. His teeth broke down when the keys hit his mouth. So here it will change like this. His teeth will change to tooth, broke down when the keys will change to key, hit his mouth. Now see the last one, fifth. The monkeys ate the potatoes. So you will write like this. Monkey will change to monkey. The monkey ate the potato. Potatoes will change to potato. Now see exercise number 5. In this you have to fill in the blanks by choosing the correct form of the verb from the bracket. So in the bracket the verbs are given. You have to choose which one suit that in that sentence. So the first word sentence is mathematics dash not a difficult subject. So here mathematics is singular or plural. So mathematics is always used in singular form, though it looks like that it is plural because at the end mathematics s is there, but it is not plural. It is singular. Okay, singular. In singular, what we use is or are. Is will come. Okay, so in this sentence, is will come. Mathematics is not a difficult subject. Is will come. See the second. Mohan's shorts dash loose. So here you are talking about shorts. Shorts are in form of plural. So in plural, what is used? Are. So here are will come. See the third. What dash the news that you have brought. So here you are talking about news. News is in a form of singular. So is will come. Fourth, the scissors that you got are here are will come, are lost, because scissors is both singular also plural also. Now see the fifth point. His cattle dash gazing in the field. So what will come? Cattle. Here are will come. Now see the fourth one. Here I have written all the answers. You can see also. So now see the sixth one. The furniture in my room dash new. Here furniture you are talking about singular is will come. The information provided dash wrong is will come. The information provided is wrong because you are talking about singular. Information is singular is. Now 8. Those women are dressed beautifully. So women is plural. So are will come. Are dressed beautifully. The police dash chasing the thieves. So here you are talking about police. It is collective. Now police is collective and it is also in a form of plural. So here are will come. Now see the last 10. My spectacles dash with my mother. So what will come? Are will come. Okay. So now we have completed exercise 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now your homework for today is exercise 6, which is given on page number 28. Do your homework, and if you have any doubt then message me in the comment section below the video, and don't forget to write your name, class, which section for your attendance,